Hello.
Hello, this is Forex TV Business News Channel. I'm Kate Nidachina.
And I'm Olga Vitkovskaya.
You are watching the analysis of Forex and equities market for the last week.
How did the currencies behave last week?
The US dollar strengthened on Friday versus most majors.
What was the reason for that?
We can single out the expectedly cold market reaction to strong advance of the Chinese economy. The US dollar index RC ascended to 80.051 points from the Thursday close of 79.691 points. Last time when the indicator closed above 80 points was on January 9. At the same time, the euro fell below 1.33 and strengthened slightly thereafter to 1.3317 US dollars. However, it remained below the prior session level at 1.3376 US dollars. Another greenback indicator, WCG index, climbed by 0.5% to 71.04. The euro got under the pressure after the speech of the ECB board member Benoit Cœuré. The banker does not think the interbank euro rate will be affected by banks paying out their long-term credits. The markets feared that the rate increase in a short term will lead to the liquidity lowering. The currency market saw a weak reaction to the data from China, according to which the second largest economy in the world improved better than foreseen in the first quarter. Weekly, the euro fell 0.2% and the US dollar index IC added 0.6%. As for the US dollar yen pair, it climbed to 90.09 yen from a Thursday mark of 89.98 yen. A few analysts and the representatives of authorities consider that the US dollar is able to rise to 100 yen. However, even now some trading companies complain that a weak yen is less attractive. Weekly, the greenback increased 1.1% versus the yen, and for the last 12 months, it gained 17%. This is all about the Forex market trends.
Thank you, Kate.
You're welcome, Olga. How did the stock market behave last week?
The US stock market was demonstrating a positive dynamics on Friday.
What reasoned the upward trend?
A report of General Electric and news about the US public debt ceiling. Among Dow components, the shares of General Electric led the growth. They increased by 3.5% after the release of the financial data better than predicted. In the fourth quarter, General Electric's yield was enhanced by 7.5% due to growth of profit in the financial department of General Electric Capital. The net profit of the company amounted to $4.1 billion, or 38 cents per share, versus the sum of $3.73 billion US dollars, or 35 cents per share a year ago. Excluding such expenditures as pensions, the adjusted income increased to 44 cents from 39 cents. At the same time, the income of the company grew by 3.6% to 39.33 billion US dollars. The experts predicted the yield to rise to 33 cents per share and the profit at 38.74 billion US dollars. On the contrary, the shares of Intel declined by 6.3%, which has become the deepest result of the Friday trading among the Dow components. The shares were influenced by the Intel revealing the third consecutive quarterly sales slide. This means that the consumers over the world show a higher interest to mobile devices rather than to PCs. Intel Santa Clara in California informed about its intention to invest 13 billion US dollars into equipment in 2013. The sum exceeded the analytical predictions. That's all about the equities market.
Thank you, Olga.
You're welcome, Kate.
This was a weekly review of the currency and stock market on Forex News Channel.
Presented to you by Olga Vitkovskaya
and me, Kate Nidachina.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.